Hello, welcome to my vlog. Nothing much has been going on lately, which is why I haven't really been vlogging, that and my laziness. But today, on this bright and beautiful day, today I am going over to the property to help Clint out. He's got like a tractor scooper type thing, and I need to be like moving rocks and stuff for him. We're digging up. But my baby is staring me down, and she's probably gonna like flip out when I turn this car on and leave, so I better get going. It seems there's at least one person I don't know here helping, so I might not record very much. I'm a bit shy recording around people. I will show you the sky again before I get out of here though. It's a very beautiful, like, classic clouds. Reminds me of like the Simpsons opening. The other day we dug up the fire pit. Just now dug up a big root. Oh, look how thick that piece is that's still in there.
Oh jeez.
That's like massive.
Out of there?
I don't know.
I think he probably got it right.
You take a picture of.
Just what we're up to. Look at all this. This is all shit that we've dug out of that yard. No idea why there's this much concrete buried. But there is. There's probably more. In fact, there's definitely more. I know there's more. Sheet. Here's that big ass stump root thing that he pulled out as I was coming in. I guess it's some sort of Japanese type bush. I don't know. It was just a big ass stump, I know that much. Takes up this whole trash can. I've only got about a minute because my camera is running out of memory. But yeah, we got quite a lot done today. I just noticed how dirty my fingernails are. Got that giant bush out, got another root out, got a bunch of holes covered, started to get that water line more dug out, or at least loosened up. Got so much concrete out of the ground. Stupid amount of concrete. I'll show you the slabs tomorrow if I remember to clean off my memory card today. Yeah, we got more digging to do tomorrow though. I'll be out there with a shovel. Clint will still be out there with the excavator. I've had what I can remember of the Excavator song from Blippi stuck in my head all day about it, but I've only watched Blippi once, so yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go in and make dinner now, just to call into work. And yeah, that's about it. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will be here in the next one. Vlog out.